Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix YouTube play button not showing or not working problem in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your play button is not showing or not working on your YouTube, then I will show you a couple of simple steps you can try and fix this issue. The first method is you just need to open your YouTube. Below you will find profile icon. After that, in top right side corner you will find settings logo. Just tap on that, scroll down. Here we will find accessibility. You have to just tap on that. You can see here accessibility player. Disable accessibility controls in the player. You have to just enable. Here you can see hide player controls. Just tap on this, then select after 3 seconds, then go back. After doing this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then just long press on your YouTube app, then click on app info. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, just tap on clear cache, then go back, open the Play Store, then search for YouTube. If your YouTube is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, just close your YouTube app from the background and open it again. You can see YouTube has been updated. Then close all the background apps. Then open the YouTube again. After opening, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix YouTube play button not working or not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.